Today we're going to look at a really nice program that's going to help our students create 3D objects for printing on the 3D printer that we all have in our buildings. One of the first things we're going to do is find TinkerCad.com, locate the sign up option, and we're going to create our account. Now, I've already created an account, so I'm just going to go back and sign in. Once you're logged in, one of the first things that we can notice is we have TinkerCad 4, a lot of great options there for popular interests, Minecraft, fidgets. We have a gallery. We have a community, blog, help center, what's new, and most importantly, we have a learn section. So we're all really interested in a few of the basics, and if we scroll down, we can see what TinkerCad offers us. Now, I bet if you have your students just do the keyring and letters project and the creating holes project, I bet you they'll just go loose on it. In a second, we're going to look what the actual program looks like once we've completed the sample projects. Okay, I clicked the TinkerCad icon to get me back to the dashboard. Now, I've been playing with it a little bit and made a couple little projects. I've been working on a key ring for my daughter. But we can go create a new design. Now, we see our work plane. And at this point, this is where I think the students are going to have no problem with it. They drag objects over. They resize, they rescale the objects. If they drug, like, say, a cylinder over, and they put it right on top of that, well, I'm going to make my little box a little bigger because I want to do something that I think the kids are going to do. And I put my cylinder right on top of that. And then I select the hole command, and then I group them. I've just put a hole in my object, and I think, to me, that was a great thing. All right, at this point, I've added some letters, and I've changed the color of the letters just to give them some contrast. Now, I want to put those letters on my block that I want to print out, and this may happen to you, and it's going to happen here. When I select them, the letters go underneath the box or else inside the box because of the depth of the box or the size of my letters. Because remember, these are three-dimensional objects. So a quick trick is to just adjust the depth. Click right in the middle, that middle box. Adjust the depth of my object. So I'm going to adjust the depth of my object. Then my letters should drag right on top of it. And I'm actually going to probably just stretch out my box a little bit to make my letters fit right, nice and pretty. All right, we're ready to save this project and export it for that 3D printer. Thank you, Rosa, for all your assistance.
And for yours.
High five!